In this video, we're going to talk about Equation, which is building the next generation of decentralized exchange with up to 200x leverage and lower fees. It's being built on Arbitrum, and there's a couple of coins you can already trade, and there's a token on top of that coming from the exchange. We're going to have a view on that, and I'm going to show you everything that's possible currently with Equation. So this is the main website, equation.org. The link will be down below in the description. This will be a referral link that you can use to have some kind of a bonus when you sign up. However, you don't need to do anything than just connect your wallet and then have some kind of USDT in your wallet to start trading. This is the only thing you need. A MetaMask wallet, USDT, and you're good to go on Arbitrum with pretty low fees. Now, this is the website, as I've mentioned. They compare themselves to other exchanges that are already operating in the market, Perpetual Protocol, dYdX, and GMX, showing that they have lower maintenance margin and especially the leverage you can go with 200x. Of course, 200x leverage is super risky. I was just trying that out and got liquidated trying to long Solana with 200x, which is entirely not reasonable. If you, however, want to really start trading, you can go with 5x, 10x, and smaller leverage, but 200x is also available if you have super strong conviction, and of course, margin large enough to have it. You have a bunch of pools here that are boosted, so you can get additional yield on your asset that you already have. I'm going to have a look at that. There was fair launch of the token, the Equation token. The initial daily emission of EQ is 10,000 tokens, and this can be adjusted by the DAO. So they're building a decentralized organization around the exchange. Testnet was already launched in September, and the mainnet launched just last month. And currently you have position mining and DAO governance will come into play in the next month. So you can already join and start doing things. It's really early on. You can read the white paper, you can read the GitHub. If you click on trade now, you'll be taken directly to the exchange, and this is what you see. So as you can see, here are the chart of a token that you're currently looking at. You can choose between a couple of coins already. You have Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solana, Arbitrum, Optimism, Matic, Avax, and Link. You can choose any of these to go and try to either market buy or limit buy. So those are the standard things you can get. We're going to stay with Solana. This is the graph I can have a look at. I can look at depth of Solana, seeing whether people are more bidding on buying or selling. I can look at the funding, meaning whether more people are buying or selling as well. So this is all interesting. Funding is basically the fees that are you have to pay either whether you're longing or shorting, depending on, of course, whether there are more people longing or shorting. The one side pays the other depending on the size of the other. So for example, if I believe that Solana will go up from here, I will probably choose maybe a smaller leverage. 100x is still very substantial. You can see the bars that I have close to 400 USDT, and this will be the size of the position, 15 sol with 10 USDT. I can also try market buy. So this will I will put my own price, and then it will be realized if someone will sell me for this price. So this is the more customizable. I'm going with the market price. This is the easiest thing. So if I want to long, if you're doing that for the first time, you will have to approve USDT, and you will have to approve the contract for a particular number of USDT that will be available to do. But then once you have it, it's longing or shorting is as easy as pushing the button long, and then I will just have to confirm in MetaMask wallet that I want to interact with the contract, and the fees are around 17 cents, 30 cents, depending on the gas and depending on the particular time, depending on the position. So as you can see, my long request was already open with 100x margin. Pretty risky. Don't do it at home if you don't want to do nothing. Here is financial advice, of course. You have to be careful. Crypto is super risky, especially on such a high leverage. Now, you can of course short coins as well. Shorting means that you're betting on them going down. This pretty much works the same as longing, but the reverse. You have the equation token, so this is the token that you want to check out if you want to. On Uniswap, you can click directly here if you're more into the governance of equation. Now you also have a bunch of other stuff, so you have markets. Those are the overview of the markets that are already here with the positions that are opened. You can see my Sol 100x leverage position here with the entry price, liquidation price. You have the pools, so this is what I've mentioned. You can, for example, open and add liquidity to particular positions. So for example, I could add into particular pools to basically profit of that. You can earn money additionally by have different rewards. So for example, if you start staking eCube, you have EQ mining, and you can do a bunch of stuff with the equation tokens here. Now you can also have referrals. So if you refer users, that's why I have the link down below in this description. So if you come through and you refer more, you will get some kind of a bonus as well. You have a bunch of other stuff coming with voting and stats, but basically for now, you have the basic structure for having up to 200x leverage with top coins like Bitcoin, Solana, Ethereum, which is good enough to try. Have a look, it's definitely looking interesting. Everything will of course depend on the team and how they will build all the features, but it definitely equation looks very, very interesting right now. Also being built on Arbitrum, it has much lower fees than if it were to be built on, for example, Ethereum mainnet, which is also a very good thing. As you can see, I have my position. I'm going to hold it for a bit longer, but if I were to close it, I just have to click on the close button, confirm it, and that's going to be it. You can see the history also here, and for example that my previous liquidation that I did 200x leverage, opening with the size of 30 Sol here, and basically paid $7 altogether for the for this realized PNL. So I lost $7 basically on 200x leverage. So always playing small with this kind of leverage. This is it for the video and the overview of equation. I'll be coming back as the team builds more. Definitely looking interesting. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next video.